What's up, YouTube? Long time no see. And it's me, Chris. After, I don't know, several months, I guess. But alright, so here we are in my garden in May 2019. Here's my sunshine blueberry. It has blueberries pretty much everywhere, and then here's some right now that I just picked, and then it has a bunch more that I'll pick right now. Let me give you an update. So this is my sunshine blue. This is my misty blue. I think I had a video of it where it was like humongous, and then it died, but now it's coming back, which is good. There's some blueberries on that one too. See, right here. And then this one's my pink lemon tree, mini pink lemon tree. It's weird because lemons come out, some of them stick, some of them don't, some of them fall off. I haven't tasted them yet, so let's see. And this right here, this is like pink lemonade blueberry. There's a pot down there, and it's humongous. It's almost as tall as me. And it has everywhere. There's some blueberries. They're not ready yet though. And then this is my white Genoa fig. This one did give figs last year. They're really tasty. This thing is taller than me now, so it's a pretty good fig. And then right here I'm growing something blue potatoes. Let me see if I could get the little brochure thingy, garden hose. Let's see. That Adirondack blue potatoes. Yeah, I'm growing those in that. It's I planted one over there, and it's actually giving potatoes, so I decided to plant the rest. And that one has one, that one has one. So I put them in these $5 totes that I got at Lowe's. And then this humongous untamed tomato is I believe it's a white tomato. I don't remember. What I remember is that I was growing it in a grow bag, and I stuck it in the ground, and then it's humongous now. And then you can see the squash flowers back there, and then there's a pumpkin growing along the fence. That's the pumpkins from last year, actually, that they didn't die in the winter. That's what is it, Fairy Tale or Musky, the province, the French one. And then this, I believe, is an elderberry. I'm not quite sure yet. If it is, then I'll keep it around. So something about medicinal purposes, see if that works, because I know elderberries are poisonous or whatever. And then this one is a white Marseilles fig that I got from Hertz Gardens. Funny thing is, this is like the fruit that I guess that came out during winter actually, and it ripens really dark, like almost black, and then the inside is like red, and it tastes like berries and honey pretty much. And it's funny because it's like, let me see if I can get the little tag in the back. It says white Marseilles figs, Hertz Gardens. And yeah, they ripen really bright red. So, I don't know. So, hold on. There we go. Alright, so that's it. It's gonna be a year old this year. It's getting pretty big. Excited for that one. And then this one's a GE Neri. I also got it from Hertz Gardens, and apparently this one has the world's largest figs. And I didn't really stake this one up, and so it's kind of growing like a bush everywhere with like a bunch of new growth, because when I first got it, it just had this stick. It had this one, and then everything else is brand new. And I really need to prune this. It's what is it? I lost my train of thought. Yeah, I mean this one, I guess if anyone's looking for a cutting, Lead Farmer, if you're seeing this video, I could send you a cutting of this one. Maybe, you know, once it dormants out later in the year. Let's see. Let's go on this way, go on this way. And then, oh, there's a cabbage growing down there somewhere. I can't see it anymore, but it's pretty big. And then this one's a completely different type of pumpkin. So, I don't know, Ukrainian. It's supposed to be gray. And curious thing is, the balls, well, the pumpkin, you know, normally, like if you touch them or whatever when they're growing, you know, they yellow out and die. But this one's been yellow and getting bigger. So I don't know if they're supposed to be like that, because like they're supposed to be gray pumpkins or whatever. And then those strawberries, I honestly have no idea how they got there, because I didn't plant strawberries. And like they just came out the ground, and well, they're there, and so whatever, I'm gonna have strawberries. And then this one's the original vine for the pumpkin growing over there. And yeah, that's basically where they came out last year. I can see there's more coming out. There was more, but I took them out because I was trying to grow onions, but I guess nothing's coming out. And then this one's Catalina Island Cherry. It's getting pretty big. I don't know if it's gonna fruit anytime soon. Kind of doubt it because it's still pretty small. But it's getting bigger than last year though. Last year was like about that tall from right here. And then avocado, jacaranda, avocado. And this one's Olympian fig. This one I couldn't get the fruit because all the birds ate them before I got to them. But this one did give a bunch of fruit, so hopefully I get some this year. And then this one, this is a fig that I call the Brawley Hut Special because I got it from this burger joint called the Brawley Hut that has a freaking fig tree growing in the parking lot. So I took a cutting off of it, and yeah, it's actually growing pretty good. And these, I don't know if these are something about Always Alive or something, or in Spanish. I don't know, something about they bring good fortune or something. And those are sangria peppers. I don't know, they turn purple. They're not spicy. And then avocados, more avocados, peppers, jalapenos, ghost pepper right there, this one. And guayaba. There's supposed to be an avocado in there. Avocado stuff. Then this one's supposed to be epazote, the red one, but I think my mom cut it. Yeah, that's good, because then if you let it grow, then they start thinning out and nothing but seeds come out. And but it's good that she did that to prune it, because then, let's see, no, don't lock. All right, let's see. And then I think there's garlics growing in there, I'm not sure. And this is one of those blue potatoes. This one's getting pretty big. It's growing along the papaya. Here's another one that decided to grow into two. So see how that comes out. And then there's a avocado not doing so good right there. Let's see, I don't know how to take off the self-focus. I messed it up already. Let's see, peppers. It's supposed to be a Trinidad scorpion. It doesn't look like it's doing too good. Hopefully it makes it. Avocado. This is a peach tree. Not sure what type of peach. Hold up, this thing. There we go. Finally, I fixed the auto lock, the autofocus. This is a peach tree. I'm not sure. It just started growing. So it actually started growing in that pile back there on that floor. But it's definitely a peach tree because it has the same leaves as the peaches in the front. And this is, I believe, is a plum. Same thing. It started growing in the ground. So we'll see what happens with that one. Avocado. This one is a Tabasco pepper. I believe this one is too. This one's probably a Havasu pepper. Pineapple. Doesn't look too good anymore. Chocolate mint. Pretty good. More avocado, Creole avocado. And then this is a tomato. Not sure which one. Mountain Gold or Big Rainbow, one of those. But yeah, it's growing from down there, and it basically grew into all of that. So, papaya, another avocado. This is a, what is this? Heritage Everbearing Raspberry. And so that's that, growing a decent size. And this is a Fall Gold Everbearing Raspberry. I had bought one, but then it died just all of a sudden, so I had bought another. So this is the second one. And then all of this back here, behind all of this, is my Marionberry. I don't like touching it because it has humongous thorns. Let's see. Very big thorns. Oh man, this video is gonna be long. And then compost bin, papaya, more boysenberries growing back there. And boysenberries here, growing up along the fence to make a sort of barbed wire. Then raspberry, more avocado. This is a boysenberry, and then this one's fruiting everywhere. Oh shit, I think I stepped on that one. Sorry, babe. I just call it babe, what the hell? Ugh. Alright, but yeah, this one's fruiting. Hopefully I get to eat them before the birds do. This is boysenberry. And that's basically the tour of the backyard. Probably longer than I thought. Whew. I might cut out some stuff, maybe not. I'm too lazy anyway. Well, alright. Thanks for watching. See you again soon.